Alright, it's time to start the garden, get it prepped up, ready to go. So I'm going to kind of walk you through what my spring project regarding the garden is going to be. So what I'm going to do is move the straw that's on top of the septic system here into some piles on either side of where the garden's going to go. So just to the left of that apple tree, this side of that canoe, I started a tomato garden last year right where those cages are. My plan this year is to till this all up, burn that brush pile, take that out of there, and then I'm going to use the hay for some weed control. But for sure all of this I'm going to till up, and then I've got this big pine tree to deal with. He's going to stay. These smaller pine trees I'm going to transplant back to where I was cutting wood, back in that direction. And then this is the existing garden. There's a healthy crop of asparagus here, so hopefully that comes back. And so this stuff hasn't been tilled yet. It's still pretty firm, but this was tilled last year. Got tomatoes here, and you can see how wet it is still. So I won't be tilling in here yet, but I do want to start on this higher ground and start getting that torn up. Here's a better view of what I got to work with. So I'm pretty much going to go straight back from here towards the barn, to the right of the barn, and just about out to that apple tree. So I've got a couple turtles here to deal with. That's stump. There's another one here. The pile, and then that shrub over there. And I'll trim these trees back a little bit so it doesn't affect the sun as much. But we get good sun here in the summertime. Well, that's all I'm going to get done today. Actually doing pretty good. I just have to get around that stump. I'm actually going to take that out. It's softening up pretty good. Just keep moving this way. I have to bring that pile. A lot of that hay is still frozen to the ground. But this is looking good. Good start.